morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Greg will be joining me today from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Greg?
Facebook shares made a minor downwards correction in the last session, falling 0.3%. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The pound fell 0.3% against the dollar in the last trading session. The CCI indicates an oversold market. The Bitcoin dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The oil dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal.
Thank you for sharing with us. Now let's hear from our news department.
Indian shares ended lower, weighed down by losses in banking and automobile stocks, with investor sentiment also soured by broad worries about inflation triggered by a big jump in U.S. consumer prices. European stocks slipped after data showing a spike in U.S. inflation encouraged bets on interest rate hikes and offset some optimism around property developer China Evergrande and a slew of corporate earnings. Chinese social media giant Tencent Holdings expects Beijing to allow metaverse virtual environment services, now the talk of Silicon Valley, to operate in China provided they fall in line with Chinese rules.
Thank you. Now let's hear today's most important economic events.
The U.S. Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index will be released at 1500 GMT. The U.S. JOLTS job openings at 1500 GMT. The U.S. Baker Hughes U.S. oil rig count at 1700 GMT. The Eurozone's ECOFIN meeting will be released at 0700 GMT. Finland's current account at 0600 GMT. The Eurozone's industrial production at 1000 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.